Hi, today I will be asking 25 short questions on the impact of AI on the future of work. So let's start. Will AI replace human jobs?
It's more likely that AI will change the nature of many jobs rather than eliminate them entirely. We'll probably see a shift towards working alongside AI, with humans focusing on tasks that require creativity, empathy, and complex problem solving.
How will AI change office work?
AI is already automating a lot of routine tasks like scheduling and data entry. This frees up people to focus on more complex things that need creative thinking and problem solving.
Can AI create new jobs?
Absolutely. Think about it. We'll need people to develop, maintain, and oversee these AI systems. Plus, there will be new roles focused on things like AI ethics and data privacy. It's a whole new field with tons of potential.
Will AI reduce the need for managers?
It might change the role of managers, but not necessarily eliminate them. Managers might focus more on tasks that require human interaction, like mentoring and team building, while AI handles things like performance tracking and scheduling.
How will AI affect salaries?
It's possible that salaries for jobs that can be easily automated by AI might decrease. On the other hand, jobs that require uniquely human skills, like creativity or complex problem solving, could see an increase in value.
Will AI make some skills useless?
Definitely. Think about how AI can handle tasks like data entry or basic calculations. Those skills might become less critical. Instead, we'll see a bigger demand for things like critical thinking and complex problem solving.
Can AI improve work-life balance?
Absolutely. AI can handle a lot of the mundane tasks that eat up our time, freeing us up to focus on the more fulfilling parts of our jobs. Plus, with AI powered tools, we could have more flexibility in when and where we work.
How will AI affect remote work?
AI could make remote work even more efficient. Imagine AI powered tools that help with things like scheduling meetings across time zones or even handling language barriers in virtual meetings. It could make remote work feel much smoother.
Will AI make jobs more stressful?
It's a mixed bag. On one hand, AI can take over those repetitive, tedious tasks that cause a lot of stress. But on the other hand, there's the pressure to constantly upskill and keep pace with the technology. It really depends on how companies manage the change.
Can AI help in training employees?
Definitely. AI can personalize training programs, track progress, and even provide real time feedback. It's like having a super efficient, always available tutor for every employee.
Will AI lead to more gig work?
It's possible. AI can help match freelancers with projects and manage tasks, which could lead to more people choosing gig work for the flexibility it offers.
How will AI affect job security?
Job security might become a bigger concern for those in roles that are easily automated. On the flip side, people with skills in AI development or those who can work alongside AI might find their job security increases. It's really about adapting to the changing landscape.
Can AI make work more creative?
Definitely. AI can handle the data crunching and repetitive tasks, freeing us up to focus on the big picture thinking and innovative ideas. It's about using AI as a tool to amplify our creativity.
Will AI increase workplace inequality?
It's a valid concern. If access to AI tools and training isn't evenly distributed, It could widen the gap between those with the skills to thrive in an AI-driven workplace and those without.
How will AI affect teamwork?
AI can definitely change how teams work. On one hand, it can help with things like scheduling and communication, making teamwork smoother, but there's also the risk of relying too much on AI and losing that human connection. Finding the right balance will be key.
Can AI make decision making easier?
Definitely. AI can analyze huge amounts of data and spot patterns that humans might miss. This can lead to faster, more informed decisions, especially in complex situations.
Will AI replace teachers?
It's unlikely that AI will fully replace teachers. It's unlikely that AI will fully replace teachers. AI can definitely help with things like grading and creating personalized learning plans, but the human element of teaching, the connection, the empathy, the ability to inspire, that's something AI can't replicate.
How will AI impact healthcare jobs?
AI is already making a huge impact in healthcare. It can help with things like diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatments, and even assisting with surgeries. This could lead to more efficient and effective healthcare, but it also raises questions about the changing roles of healthcare professionals.
Can AI help reduce workplace bias?
AI could play a role in reducing bias by standardizing processes and focusing on objective data. However, it's crucial to ensure the AI itself isn't trained on biased data, which could perpetuate existing inequalities.
Will AI need new laws at work?
Absolutely. We'll need new laws to address things like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and who's responsible when AI makes a mistake. It's a whole new legal landscape that needs to be explored.
Can AI help people with disabilities work?
Absolutely. AI has the potential to be a game changer for people with disabilities in the workplace. Think about AI-powered tools that can provide real-time transcription for those with hearing impairments, or AI assistants that can help with tasks that require fine motor skills. It's all about creating a more inclusive work environment.
Will AI affect how we get promoted?
It's possible that AI could play a role in promotions, focusing on objective data and performance metrics. But it's crucial to ensure fairness and transparency in how those AI systems are used to avoid any potential biases creeping in.
How will AI change customer service jobs?
AI is already changing customer service with chatbots and virtual assistants handling routine inquiries. This frees up human agents to focus on more complex issues that require empathy and problem-solving skills.
Can AI do ethical decision making?
That's a tricky one. AI can analyze data and predict outcomes, but ethics often involves complex moral considerations that are tough to program. It's more likely AI will assist with ethical decisions rather than making them entirely on its own.
My last question is, what jobs are safe from AI?
Jobs that rely heavily on uniquely human skills like creativity, empathy, and complex problem solving are generally considered safer from AI automation. Think about artists, therapists, or strategic planners, roles where that human touch is irreplaceable.
Thank you, Gemini, for sharing this much time with us. We'll see you next time.
You're very welcome. I enjoyed our chat about AI and the future of work. Feel free to reach out anytime you have more questions. Take care.
Thank you for participating in my video. We'll see you next time.